Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. I feel like I always start my videos like this, but you know what? It's okay. I'm currently getting ready. I have to leave in 15 minutes or 20 minutes because we're gonna go up to LA again. And we're gonna go up to LA, meet up with one of Matt's friends, and just gonna go walk around, and I think we're gonna go to Modern Times, so that's gonna be fun. They're gonna have one of Matt's favorite breweries there, like a Tap Takeover, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'll update you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so headed over to Matt's house, just put gas. We're gonna, like I said earlier today, we're gonna go to LA. We're gonna go to we're gonna go to Modern Times for some Great Notion beer. Right now I'm just stuck behind the trolley, so I'm just waiting for that to go because I want to get out of here. Come on, let's go. I'm late. It's 9:56. Matt's gonna be so upset. I'm supposed to get there to his place at 10 and it's 9:56 and I'm still in Chula Vista. Yay. Ollie. All right, come on, let's go. As you can tell, it's pretty rainy today and I'm low-key kind of nervous about going up to LA with this weather, but we're just gonna do it. Hopefully it's not too bad. If it gets too bad for me, I'm gonna have to ask Matt to drive for me because I don't like driving in the rain. If it's like sprinkling or like not too hard, then I'll do it, but it doesn't seem too bad. But right now I just placed an order on Starbucks and we're gonna stop real quick to go get it and then we're gonna head out. So yeah, we're gonna head out. Let's see how long it takes us to get to That's the only sweater you're bringing?
Yeah. What's wrong? What?
Nothing.
Usually I don't wear a sweatshirt.
A sweater?
Whatever.
What's the Modern Times?
Dankness Jojo. Remember there's a cheap parking lot over there?
Yeah, we're gonna totally, okay. Alright, so 2 hours and 23 minutes. We'll get there at 12:49.
Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Hey, wait for me. Matthew. Wait for me. I always walk too fast. Guys, so we just got here. It's, what time is it? 1:11. We got here. We found parking next to Modern Times. Modern Times is right there. $8. Not bad. I'm waiting for Matt to come back so we can put the little parking thing on the car. Why is my makeup all messed up? Anyways, we're here. All right, so what are you drinking?
This is called Viking number 10. It's usually a Viking member only beer at San Diego, so I'm surprised they had it for this weekend, but it is the anniversary of LA, so.
Yeah, we also got some barbecue, so we're excited to eat that.
And wings.
And wings, and we got my raspberry blush, of course. Alright, so we just got some Bird Rock, and I'm wearing my Moster shirt, so that's sweatshirt I mean. That's not nice of me to do that. But we just got some Bird Rock. We had a chocolate croissant, and now we're heading over to the dog show with Matt's parents. and his brother and his girlfriend. Let's go.
So.
Cheers. So we are in a very bougie neighborhood right now. It's called Del Mar, and I want Matt to buy me a house here one day.
Y'all got any change to spare for that house? Just a few $100,000 will do.
Yes, no, it's really expensive. I don't think I would want to live here though. Tsunamis and stuff, like the ocean's like right there. So yeah, we are, like I said, we're headed to the dog show. It's a yearly thing, right? They have that, and this is my first time going to a dog show, but never been to one. I don't know what to expect. It's at the Del Mar Fairgrounds, and we're about 6 minutes away. And I think that's where Matt found, well, Matt's mom found out about the, what are they called? The
Japanese chins.
Japanese chins. And so that made her, look, an English bull, no, never mind. That's really huge. What is that type of dog? It had like a face. No, it was in that white car.
Oh, I thought you meant the
No, sorry.
that's
No.
like an Akita or something like that.
No, it had like an English bulldog face, but it was very tall. And like,
it might be been a Mastiff.
oh, maybe. Anyways, whoa. It was like Doug from Up. Squirrel! But instead it's bulldog! Oh, look at the beach. The ocean. Yeah. It costs a couple of $1 million to live over here, you guys. It's kind of like the Beverly Hills of San Diego. This in La Jolla, would you say, is like the Beverly Hills? Or more La Jolla, huh?
I guess more La Jolla, but it's
Yeah.
really kind of comparing apples to oranges. They're really like not like that similar.
Yeah.
I think it's like people, no offense to people who live in LA, but Beverly Hills people are really stuck up versus I guess like people in La Jolla and Del Mar not so much.
Not so much, but you can tell they have like a sort of like the way they walk.
And, by the way, sorry to interrupt you. I think the original Bird Rock is over here.
Which is a coffee that we have.
So Bird Rock is a neighborhood of like the Del Mar, La Jolla area. No, I think it's further south actually. I can't remember, but it looks just like this.
Oh, all right. So yeah, we're headed over. Don't know what to expect. I'll vlog a little bit so you guys can see. But I'm excited. And you're gonna keep going, babe.
Okay. Watch out for bikes.
It's okay. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we get there. So we have arrived. This is the Del Mar Fairgrounds. For anybody who didn't know, it's very sunny today. It's definitely not how it was yesterday, right? Where are we going? Oh, you can already hear the doggies. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Oh my goodness.
He hates attention.
Yeah, he doesn't like it.
So good.
Yeah, it's a terrible coat to have.
Okay, no, yeah.
Look at her.
Oh, Matthew. Matthew.
All right, get your wallet. Open it
Oh
up.
my God, golden retriever heaven. Look at that one smiling. Hi. Hi. Oh. He's a sloppy kisser, babe. The dog show was so much fun. all them doggies, and I think I convinced Matt to get a golden retriever.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, so I'm excited for that because I love golden retrievers. I've always wanted one. My mom did not like dogs, even though she grew up with 2. So I'm so confused as to why she wouldn't, but I convinced this guy. Instead of getting a pug or a Frenchie or a English bulldog, he agreed to a golden retriever. So excited. So now we're headed to have lunch at Shake Shack. And I don't know what we're gonna do next, but see ya.